Hi everyone, welcome to my cooking today. I'm gonna make binignet. It's favorite of the Philippines, in the Philippines. So ayan, these are the ingredients. Some of my ingredients: banana. Okay, these are the combination of purple yam or sweet potato, orange sweet potato, and then yam. So combine ko lang yan at meron din akong saging na saba, coconut milk. I use 1 and then half of that jackfruit. It depends how much you make, and then another pure coconut milk and sugar. So I mix them all and then add the coconut milk. I add a little bit sugar, half of that can, and let it boil. So ayan, kumukulo na siya, and then I have to mix them all. Ayan, look. Mix and mix lang. Some people cook it different way, but you can do it any way you want. So I'll just mix them all like that, and then make sure it's all the way mixed. And then after a while, I have to add the jackfruit, including a little bit of the juice. Mix them all again. Jackfruit is a good ingredient for it because it has a sweet taste and it smells good. So mix it all again and let it boil until the potatoes are tender. Then, ayan, takpan uli. Magluto ka uli. Takpan uli and let it simmer again. So, ayan na. Halo-halo uli. Same lang naman. Simple is a simple kind of dessert that you can do. And ayan, I was just craving. Kasi yung sa Semana Santa yun, I was late for that part. So, nakahanap ko ng Asian store doon sa San Diego. Ay, nagluto ako, diba? Kaya, my craving satisfied. Ayan. You gotta add sugar. It depends how much I just estimate it naman. Walay sukod-sukod ning ahong pagluto. Ayan. Yummy na gyud siya. Diba? Ang sarap, guys. You cook like this. I did not put wala akong bilo-bilo. I had it before, but I don't eat that much, so I just leave it plain like this. So ayan, guys, hainan na at tayo ay kumain na din ng masarap kong binignet, ginataan. O dinagdagan ko ng konting sugar kasi hindi siya masyadong So, yan po. Enjoy na lang sa aking pagluluto at sana ay magluto din kayo ng ganito maski hindi Semana Santa. So, ayan. Nice, 1 cup. Sarap yun siya. Try it in your own way. I'm sure it tastes the same. Pero masarap ang sa akin, diba? Ayan, guys, thank you for watching and see you on my next cooking, singing, or travel. So thank you, and don't forget to click notification button for my upcoming videos. Once again, this is MD168. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye!